Hey guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is day 27 of our Binance and MXC altcoin update. So if you could smash the like button, we will go straight over to those accounts and see how we are getting on. Would you look at that, guys? Look at that PCX. This is obviously not obviously. This is one of the assets that we hold in this account. So whilst today has not been great for Bitcoin and not great for some of the alts that have been quite heavily hammered, some of them are doing pretty well, and you can see we've got quite a lot of that in this account. So let's work out what our running total is. 0.691. Add over to Binance. How's Binance getting on? Plus 0.824, we'll call it. Look at that. Here we go. Look at that. 1.515. So literally we are 51.5% up now on our one Bitcoin, and we now have 1.5 Bitcoins basically. So yeah, pretty pleased with that. I'm pretty pleased with that. Yeah, I have mainly been buying the Polkadot ecosystem coins, Kusama, Edgeware, Chainx, and obviously the king, Polkadot. We've got a bit of Ample in there as well, and we had some Sora, which we got out of yesterday on the massive pump, and obviously it's retraced a bit now, so I will be looking for a re-entry on this asset. I originally bought at 5 and then sold a little bit early, then rebought at 20, sold at the right time, and I am thinking this 40 to 50 area may be a brief reaccumulation area before we resume our journey to the moon. So yeah, very pleased with how this is going on. Obviously I can't not be pleased with making half a Bitcoin from one Bitcoin in 27 days. So yeah, good trading, guys, good trading. So thanks for listening. That's just a quick update, and I'll catch you guys later on with my Bitcoin evening wrap.